Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. Look at what I got my hands on. A new drill. No, a personal massage gun by Opove, the M3 Pro. And yes, this bad boy is effective and works really well. This thing's got 3-hour battery life, 3200 RPM brushless motor, and 3 speeds with multiple attachments. And I'll be showing you how to use it next. Alrighty, let's open this bad boy up. It's a very nice carrying case, I might add. Voila! So first things first, we got a manual. Go ahead and toss that. So here we go. We got an AC charging plug here. You have 4 attachments here. These all go on. They have a little rubber seal. You just pop them right off and push them in. I like this one for the back here. Down the spine is really nice. This one here I call it the stopper. You can use this anywhere, but my favorite is right here. This one is really nice. This one hits all the points. It's my favorite. It's really one of the only ones I use. So I'm going to show you guys how to power this thing on. Here's the battery here. Now to get the battery off, you need to hit this button here, and it's a little firm. It slides out just like that. Really easy. Once again, this battery lasts for 3 hours. 3200 RPM motor, and it has 3 speeds. But first, you'll want to go ahead and turn it on the switch at the bottom. This is also where you plug in your AC power adapter. Then you go ahead and hit the button. 1, 2, and 3. The third one is for 60 hertz. First one's 40, 50, and 60. To pop on an attachment, just go ahead and grab it, slide it right in. Make sure it's all the way down. Then you go ahead and just turn it on. 2 and 3. And that's it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you use this on a body. So stay tuned. Alright, so get yourself some nice comfortable clothes on, loose fitting. Alright, start with some thighs. I like to go triple threat. All the way down, all the way down. Really hit the sides, hit the sides. Get deep if you have to, get deep if you have to. Arms. Bring that leg up, get the sides all the way down. You can do quite a bit by yourself. Now, obviously, you can't get the back. Sometimes I can get a little bit of my back by myself, the upper back. Just be careful not to hit a bone. Might hurt a little. The other areas you will need somebody. But like I said, you can do quite a bit on your own, like my calves. Oh, that feels good. Whoever invented this, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. You can do other attachments, but this is my favorite. This one really gets in deep. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video. If you like this content, please subscribe. I'm going to be bringing you a lot more content coming soon. We'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.